So a couple people were watching my video about the computer that I bought, and they wanted to know if it came with a DVD drive. Why are you beeping? Of course you're beeping when I'm trying to make a video, but okay, sorry, that was outside noise. So yeah, the computer I set up I got did not have an internal DVD drive, so I just bought one of these. This is the LG Ultra Slim Portable DVD Writer, 8 times, I think. The specs aren't even on here. Oh, yes, they are. Okay, so yeah, 8 times write, 8 times RW write, blah, 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 24 read. So, okay, it says it's quiet, all that kind of stuff, has the requirements for Windows NOS. So this is portable. You can take it with you. You can use it with a laptop. You can use it with your desktop. I just bought a really small, I just like the idea that it was portable. Now, having said all that, I've never used it. So the gaming rig that I bought, I've never used this drive. So I bought it when I got the rig, and I didn't need it so far. And I've had it for, let's see, I've had the rig for 2.5 years. So yeah, so there you go. That's the answer. Oh, by the way, somebody asked me if I could look it up for them. So there it is. $27 at Walmart, $29 at CDW, $40 at Best Buy. Staples, $31.50. So Dell is selling it for $30. So I sort of remember it being around 25, but maybe I was wrong. Maybe it was actually $50. So, or I'm sorry, $30 when I bought it. But like I said, it's a negligible expense once you end up spending a couple grand on a rig, and that's the one that I bought. I haven't used it, can't review it. Still unopened box, still sealed. See? Anyway, that's what I bought. So there's your info. Please subscribe to help the channel, and like you will notice by watching this video, I answer questions. So go ahead and throw them in the comments. If you have a question, I will answer it to the best of my ability if I'm able to. So that's your honest answer on this one. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Make it a good one.